To make a milk tart, first preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch, 23 centimeter pie plate. In a large bowl, add 1 cup, 200 grams of white sugar and 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters of melted butter. Mix the sugar and butter until smooth. Sift in 1 cup, 128 grams of cake flour, 1 teaspoon, 4 grams of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1.5 grams of salt. Stir until thoroughly combined. Now add 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, and 4 cups, 950 milliliters of milk, and mix everything together. Now separate 3 eggs and set aside the yolks for use in a different recipe. Add the 3 egg whites to a large bowl and beat them with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form when you lift the beater from the bowl. Fold the egg whites into the batter, then pour the batter into the greased pie plate. Sprinkle cinnamon and sugar on top. Finally, bake the milk tart for 25 minutes, then lower the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, and bake for an additional 25 minutes. Serve the milk tart hot or chilled.